Yes, now we are going for the second question. Second question is a little bit equal to the first one also. After half of the first one, what we did in the alter method, that we are going to do here, but I just want to show that how we can attempt this in more interesting part. Okay, so here we are having another thing is given, that is where x lies. Now in this question, x lies in between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 in the principal value. So here we are having now for the solution we are having tan inverse now cos x upon 1 plus sin x. What is cos x? Cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And what is 1 plus sin x? 1 plus sin x is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 cos x by 2 sin x by 2. Now this becomes for 1 plus sin x. For this particular part we are having, for this one, this is 1, and sin x, for this sin x we are having this one for sin x. So it becomes now in the combined form we are getting cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So for 1 plus sin x you can write it cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So now what we are having, cos x cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon, for 1 plus sin x, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay. So now stepping further, what we are getting? Next we will be having tan inverse cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Then we are having, this already we have done in the last session. Now we are having 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. And which type of formula we are used here? For this part first of all we have used here a square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. This is whole square, so one terms cancels. For this part now, how we are getting this part? You can just write here multiplying and dividing by cos x by 2, or you can write multiplying and, or you can write dividing numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, one and the same thing. Okay, so we can use anything. Now finally we are having tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. How? We are having 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2 is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Look here it was tan inverse, we got tan. Okay, so now finally our answer is pi by 4 minus x by 2.